Hello kids, welcome to my channel. We are now learning English alphabet. Let's go. A. A is for apple. A is for apple. This is apple. This is apple. B. B is for ball. B is for ball. This is ball. This is ball. C. C is for cat. C is for cat. C-A-T. This is cat. This is cat. D. D is for dog. D is for dog. D-O-G. Dog. This is dog. This is dog. E. E is for egg. E is for egg. E-G-G. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. This is egg. F. F is for frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. This is frog. This is frog. G. G is for glass. G is for glass. This is glass. This is glass. H. H is for house. H is for house. H-O-U-S-E. House. This is house. This is house. I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. This is ice cream. This is ice cream. J. J is for jeep. J-E-E-P. Jeep. J is for jeep. This is jeep. This is jeep. K. K is for kitchen. K is for kitchen. This is kitchen room. This is kitchen room. L. L is for lollipop. L is for lollipop. This is lollipop. This is lollipop. M. M is for medicine. M is for medicine. This is medicine. This is medicine. N. N is for net. N is for net. N-E-T. Net. This is net. This is net. O. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. This is octopus. This is octopus. Q. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. This is quail bird. This is quail bird. R. R is for rose. R is for rose. This is rose. This is rose. S. S is for sheep. S is for sheep. S is for sheep. This is sheep. This is sheep. T. T is for train. T is for train. This is train. This is train. U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. This is umbrella. This is umbrella. V. V is for vegetables. V is for vegetable. This is vegetable. This is vegetable. W. W is for watch. W is for watch. W is for watch. This is watch. This is watch. X. X is for box. X is for box. This is box. This is box. Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. This is yak. This is yak. Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. This is zebra. This is zebra. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.